So what are the 3 things you want me to fix on your nose?
Just sort of straighten it out, rid of the hump here, and mainly the ability to breathe. I can't breathe out of my left nostril.
Right,
most
I
of the
agree.
time.
It's deviated, you got a little bump on there. You can see that on here, and it droops a bit. And then, we'll bring your tip up and straighten your nose, and of course we're also gonna do your chin.
Yeah, I really didn't realize how much of a no chin I had until I shaved my face.
Right. Hey John, how you doing?
Good, great. Thank you so much. My wife wants to say thank you to everyone who worked here, because I am not waking her up in the middle of the night, snoring so loudly she has to go to the couch and then hit me in the morning. So thank you from her and from me, 100%. My nose feels so much better, my breathing so much better. I'm not snoring and feeling like I swallowed a cat in the middle of the night because my nose is so deviated and this is so straight, it's crazy.
Yeah, it does look pretty amazing. I mean, it's pretty amazing here. We straightened your nose, we softened it, brought the tip up, and then of course we did a chin up.
I look at myself in the mirror and I'm like, man, this is so straight, this is crazy.
Who's this good-looking guy?
John is a magic combination, 1-year follow-up of a chin augmentation and a rhinoplasty. It's transformational. This guy, when I see him at 3, 6, and 9, and now 12 months, he's transformed. He now says he can actually look in the mirror and actually smile. When he talks to people, he's no longer self-conscious of his appearance, especially his small chin. So the take home here is that when you're looking at your nose to fix your nose, look at your chin. If it's weak or short, you can fix that. A rhinoplasty expert will always match your nose and your face and your chin. So join me as we see. Okay, so a true rhinoplasty expert will actually always mention your chin to match your nose and the rest of your face, because we want harmony. That's the secret word for making a nose look great. And John is very harmonious, not only with his face, but with himself. It's transformed him. And what a great guy he is. So join me as you see him over 1 year post-op.
Well, John, is over a year. It's amazing.
It's great. I still can't get over it. I was saying earlier, I found old photos of myself when I was a lot younger, and you basically gave me my natural nose back from all the years of damage that I'd done with multiple breaks.
Right. And it was the first time you posted your Christmas photos.
Yeah, first time, and I don't know how long that I took Christmas photos, and I actually wasn't weirded out about putting them online, sharing them with everyone. I was like, man, especially with the nose and then the chin, I just couldn't believe how more squared my face looks. It's strange to me.
Yeah, it is amazing. Your nose is straight, softer, and then the chin augmentation is great. And yeah, man, it just looks unbelievable. If you go to the side, you can see, chin up a little bit. Yeah, it looks amazing. You can just see how transformational it is with the shape and contour of your nose and your chin augmentation, which we do with a Chin Aug and silicone implant. That's unbelievable. So your breathing's great too.
Breathing's great, yeah. And the only problem I have now is with allergies and now with the fact that I can't breathe. So
welcome to Texas.
Right, it's Texas. I mean, my wife really appreciates that. It's only, now part of the year that I snore because of allergies and not 365 because of my nose being so bent.
Yeah.
So,
it is great. Well, you look amazing. It's only going to get better and better, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Really appreciate
Happy
it. Thank
2022,
you. 2022.
Wow. Didn't you see a different John than pre-op? He is standing straight. He's very, very self-assuring, and he's confident. He's confident of who he is. And when he's in my office, he's always looking in the mirror because he's got the side view. It's phenomenal. That's why I love what I do.